Ever thought about going beyond just drinking cider? Imagine crafting your very own hard cider right in your kitchen, with full control over flavor and fizz. The CraftABrew Cider Kit makes that dream a reality, giving you the tools and know-how to brew cider that rivals your favorite brands, all without the hassle of a traditional apple press. The story behind this kit is rooted in American cider tradition, inspired by pioneers like Johnny Appleseed. It's designed to help you carry on that legacy with a modern twist. Whether you're a complete beginner or a hobbyist looking to sharpen your skills, this kit provides everything you need. From the moment you open the box, you'll find hand-assembled components crafted in Orlando, Florida, reflecting a commitment to quality, elegant design, and sustainability. What sets this cider kit apart? You supply the apple juice, and they deliver the rest: fermentation vessels, airlocks, cleaning supplies, and a detailed CraftABrew guide to making your own hard cider. The guide walks you through each step, making the process approachable and fun. Plus, it includes recipe variations so you can experiment and find your perfect cider, whether you prefer it dry, sparkling, or somewhere in between. One satisfied customer shared their experience brewing a dry Irish stout with another CraftABrew kit, praising how complete and user-friendly the package was. While their cider was still conditioning, the sample they tasted during bottling was already impressive. This hands-on hobby not only provides a rewarding pastime but also a delicious product you can share with friends and family. If you're ready to try brewing your own cider, this kit is a solid place to start. If you're curious about home brewing but unsure where to begin, the CraftABrew Cider Kit is worth a look. It offers a straightforward, enjoyable introduction to cider making with reliable results. The satisfaction of pouring a glass of cider you made yourself? That's a feeling that's hard to beat. Try it when you're ready to turn your love for cider into a hands-on craft.